welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I'm going to prepare for you a passion fruit drink, as we call it, agua fresca. It's a very refreshing water and it doesn't need too much, just the passion fruit. I know that you are going to love it and your family. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Water, a pitcher, sugar. This is everything we need to make this exotic drink. So let's get started. I want to start by making my simple syrup. To this small saucepan, I'm adding 1 cup of granulated sugar, and I'm going to add 1 cup of water. And this is everything we need to make our simple syrup. So let's go to the stove and start cooking this. And start melting my sugar. My stove is on. I'm going to add my saucepan. And I'm just going to move the sugar until it dissolves completely. As you can see, the sugar looks white. The water looks clear. But it's going to turn a little bit yellow. It takes a couple minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes before it starts changing color. I'll see you when that happens. I want to show you that my sugar has dissolved completely and the water has turned a little bit yellow. That is very normal. Okay, I am ready to turn the stove off, and I'm just going to remove it from the stove. And I'll see you when this has cooled down at room temperature. While my sugar is cooling down at room temperature, I'm going to start with my passion fruit. I'm going to cut it in half. Look how beautiful this looks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape all the seeds out and the juice. And we want to make sure we take everything out. And it comes out, a lot comes out of one. For this agua fresca, you only need about 6 or 7 passion fruits. Look how beautiful this looks. Okay, I'm going to cut every single one, and I'll show you when I have filled this little container. So I'll see you in a little bit. I am ready to blend it. We're just gonna add a little bit of water. And we're gonna blend it just for a little bit. Okay, this is ready. In our agua fresca, we do not want the seeds. So I'm gonna do this. I'm going to sift this just to make sure that all the seeds stay here. They don't go in the water. Okay, I'll show you when I'm done. I want to show you all the seeds that are left behind. We don't want the seeds in our agua fresca. All the seeds are in here. What I'm going to do is add my simple syrup. It's already room temperature. I'm just gonna add half. I am going to mix. And I'm going to add water. This should be okay. Okay, let's taste it. Delicious. Now we are ready to add our ice. Want to show you how beautiful this looks. Okay, I am ready to taste it and find out how it tastes. So I'll see you in a little bit. My friends, I am ready to taste my passion fruit drink. Let's see how it came out. I wish you were here to taste this delicious and refreshing drink. The flavor is so intense. Perfect. I have a slice of the passion fruit, and you could even eat it like this. This is so perfect. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you could make this delicious drink. Thank you for watching my video from start to end. I really appreciate it. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up, share my video on social media, push the notification bell so whenever I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Thank you so much. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Bye-bye.